Let's talk about something a lot of men are struggling with in silence. Varicose veins in the scrotum, testicles. This is also called varicocele, and it affects, blood flow, testosterone production, and your fertility even, yes. But no worries, it can be healed naturally. So varicocele is a varicose vein in the testicles. It's created or formed when the veins swell up and twist around, usually on the left side, and it creates heat and pressure and stagnation in the veins. This blocks blood flow from feeding the testicles and messes with sperm production. Slows down testosterone production as well, testosterone flow. You're not born with this. Typically, it develops from poor circulation, chronic pressure in that area, and inflammation over time. Wearing tight underwear can cause it. Sitting or standing for long periods of time can cause this. Vein swelling, constipation, and straining to move your bowels can also cause this. Then you have inflammation from processed foods, particularly sugar, smoking cigarettes, oxidative stress. The free radicals will weaken the vessel walls. Vitamin C and zinc deficiency, which are needed for collagen and capillary strength, also can help cause varicose veins. So why does this all matter for men's health? Well, poor blood flow equals low oxygen, low nutrients, and toxic buildup, which affects the prostate and everything else in your body. Testosterone production requires oxygenated, nutrient-rich blood in your testicles. Prostate shrinking and detox requires blood flow, proper blood flow, and lymphatic flow to clear inflammation. And erectile function rests almost exclusively on blood flow and vein and capillary dilation. That's what allows you to have an erection. So let's break down how to repair and rebuild your veins naturally. Let's talk about the nutrients for vein repair. Vitamin C plus bioflavonoids that strengthens the capillary walls. That's found in citrus fruits, berries, rose hips. You need zinc, 15 to 30 milligrams a day, 40 milligrams a day. It's critical for tissue regeneration and testosterone production, zinc. Horse chestnut extract. This is the gold standard for healing varicose veins, right? It reduces inflammation. It strengthens the actual vein capillary walls and improves the tone and the elasticity. Gotu kola rebuilds connective tissue around the veins. It enhances circulation and oxygen delivery. Next, you have butcher's broom. Butcher's broom tonifies and strengthens the veins and capillaries and helps the veins, move blood around, venous return, circulating and strengthening the valves on the veins. And last, you have omega-3s, flaxseed, crushed flaxseed or fish oil. That's an overall anti-inflammatory and improves blood fluidity, right? So the veins in your scrotum and your pelvis are your masculine lifeline. And when they're weak, everything suffers. But you can rebuild them naturally with the right herbs, nutrients, and habits. Change your eating habits. Protect your blood flow. And share this with a brother who you think needs this. And let's get healthy.